One night, the Prophet, peace be upon him, informed Fatima alayhi salam to do 4 things before going to sleep. He instructed her to 1. Recite the whole Quran. 2. Seek the intercession of the Prophets. 3. Seek to make all the believers happy. And 4. To do a Hajj and Umrah, and then to go to sleep. He then went on to pray, and she waited for him to finish, and then asked him how it was even possible to do all of this before sleeping. He then explained, to recite the whole Quran, she should recite Qul Huwallahu Ahad 3 times, the Surah Tawheed. The rewards for reciting the Surah 3 times are that of reciting the whole Quran. Number 2, to seek the intercession of the Prophets, she should recite as follows: Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa salli ala jamii al-anbiya'i wal mursaleen. And this can be translated to, O Allah, send blessings on Muhammad and his family and all the Prophets. With this, you will have all the Prophets intercede for you. Number 3, seek the happiness of the believers. She should recite as follows: Allahumma ighfir lil mu'mineen wal mu'minat. We have narrations that when someone says this, Allah will give them goodness and will remove his sins as much as there are believers on the earth. If they are unable to pray the night prayer, they should at least say this in their hearts. 4. Hajj and Umrah, recite the Tasbihat Arba, which is as follows: Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah wallahu akbar. They will receive the rewards of 1 full Hajj and Umrah after reciting this. And it is also recommended that if they are able to do so, they should recite the Tasbihat Hazrat Fatima Zahra, and they will even get more rewards. It would be like Nur ala Nur. If they cannot do all 4, they should try to do at least one of these. These are very small actions that do not take much time, but the rewards are worth so much in the hereafter.